In this video, we are going to discuss about Earth's orbit is full of junk. Can we clean it up? Look up. Beyond the stars and satellites, there's an invisible menace circling our planet, space junk. Decades of exploration have left a shell of debris. Dead satellites, rocket fragments, even flecks of paint, racing around Earth at bullet-like speeds. Over 36,000 objects larger than a softball and millions more fragments orbit above us, each capable of catastrophic damage. This isn't a distant problem, it's a growing, immediate threat to the technology we rely on every day. For over 60 years, every launch has added to this orbital graveyard. We once thought space was too vast to pollute. We were wrong. Now the very orbits that power our communication, navigation and weather forecasting are becoming a hazardous minefield. The legacy of our ambition is a cloud of debris that endangers our future in space. The question is no longer if this will affect us, but when. Our modern world depends on a safe sky above. The silent threat of space junk is a problem we can't ignore. It's time to face the consequences and find solutions. The story of space junk is the story of our responsibility to the future. The danger isn't just the junk, it's the speed. In orbit, even a screw becomes a deadly missile. In 2009, a defunct Russian satellite collided with an American one, creating over 2,300 new pieces of debris in an instant. Each collision multiplies the threat, turning satellites into clouds of shrapnel. The International Space Station must dodge debris several times a year. A marble-sized object could be catastrophic. Our GPS satellites are at risk. Our weather satellites are at risk. Our communication satellites are at risk. A single collision could disrupt economies. A single collision could disrupt communications. A single collision could disrupt research worldwide. The problem isn't just for astronauts, it's for everyone who depends on space technology. Every close call is a reminder we're dodging our own bullets. The graveyard in the sky is growing. If we don't act, the fallout will reach us all. There's a tipping point, Kessler syndrome, where debris triggers a chain reaction of collisions. Each impact creates more fragments, increasing the odds of further crashes. Eventually, entire orbits could become impassable, trapping us on Earth. This isn't science fiction. 2009 Iridium Cosmos collision. 2007 Chinese missile tests. We're adding junk faster than it can fall back to Earth. If the cascade begins, it may be unstoppable. The consequences: loss of GPS, global communications, weather forecasting, Earth monitoring. Space exploration would grind to a halt. Our dreams of reaching other worlds could be lost for generations. We risk becoming prisoners on our own planet, surrounded by a barrier of our own making. The time to prevent this is now. The sky's future is in our hands. But there's hope. Around the world, engineers are designing missions to clean up space. One idea: giant nets to capture and drag debris into the atmosphere to burn up. Astroscale European Space Agency. Other concepts include ground-based lasers to nudge small debris into decaying orbits. Robotic tugs, Harpoon's robotic arms could grab and deorbit larger junk. Some missions aim to refuel repair satellites, preventing them from becoming debris in the first place. Each technology is a step toward restoring a safe orbital environment. Cleaning up space is one of the greatest engineering challenges of our time. The race to save our sky has begun. Our future in space depends on it. We stand at a crossroads: inaction, responsibility. If we ignore the problem, collisions will multiply, and our access to space, and all it enables, will vanish. The sky will become a monument to our carelessness. But if we act, we can preserve space as a domain of discovery and opportunity. International cooperation, smart treaties, and new technology can turn the tide. We must design satellites to deorbit safely and treat space as a precious ecosystem. The choice is ours, and the time is now. Imagine a sky safe for future explorers, a clear path to other worlds. Let's clean up our cosmic backyard. The cosmos is waiting. Let's keep the door open. If you liked it, tap that like and hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next.